Good morning, students. So in today's class we are going to discuss a new lesson, that is lesson number 6, environment. Okay. So in this lesson mainly we will study, of course, the first the definition of the environment and the examples also, and next we will study about the importance of environment, next about the pollution, and of course we will study about the types of pollutions and how can we save our environment. Of course, you know that our environment is getting polluted by the activities of humans. So if we are polluting the environment, then also we can save our environment. Okay, so we will study so many points in this lesson. Okay, so here in the page number 207 they have given 3 lines, and before that line they have given something here. See here, so that is anything that surrounds us is called environment. And list 3 things. List 3 things you see or observe in your surroundings. Okay, so see here we have given 3 things here. 1, 2, 3. So the first one. So of course, which kind of things you can observe surround you? You have to write. So mainly I observe, of course, plants. I observe so many plants around me, and after that we can observe the animals. First we can observe the animals. Next I can observe the birds as well. Okay. So many things. Still I can observe so many vehicles, human beings. Is it? So but they have given only 3 lines, so I have written only 3. So I can observe the plants, animals and birds in my surrounding. Okay. So just write it down there. So after this we will study about the importance of environment. Just write it down. Okay, so see here next. Importance of environment. So first I will write some of the important points regarding of this. So just give here. First one, an environment consists. An environment consists of three elements. And which are those three elements? First one is air, water, and what else? Soil. Okay. Next, both living and non-living. Elements make our environment. Okay, and next one is the air we breathe. The air we breathe. The water we drink. The water we drink. And the place. The place where we live. For the environment. And the next one is different kinds of pollution. Different kinds of pollution. Affect our environment. Okay, so just be here. This is something importance of environment, that is, our environment is mainly consists of three very important elements. Okay, and those are the air, water, and soil. Of course, air, water, and soil, these are the very important elements. These are the very three important elements which consist environment. ನಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಬಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುವು? ಏರ್, ಗಾಳಿ, ವಾಟರ್, ನೀರು, ಸಾಯಿಲ್, ಮಣ್ಣು. ಇವು ಮೂರು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಬೋತ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅವರ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಐತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸು ಅದಾವ, ನಾನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸು ಅದಾವ. Living things like animals, birds, human beings, plants are there. Non-living things like vehicles, tables, boards, shops, books are there. So environment ಬರೀ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಂದನ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ನಾನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಂದನ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಏರ್ ವಿ ಬ್ರೀತ್. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಈ ಏರ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್. ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು, ಉಸಿರಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಬೇಕು. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಲೀವ್, ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅವರ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್. So of course our environment is there, but it is our primary duty to keep our clean and fresh environment. But by doing so many activities, several activities by the humans, our environment is getting polluted by many reasons. It is polluting in many ways. Okay, so you know this here. Different kinds of pollutions affect our environment. Negligent human activities also have a negative impact on the environment. Of course, animals, birds, even ನಮ್ಮ environment ಅನ್ನ harm ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, pollute ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ನಾವು, humans are the only reason to pollute our environment. Okay, so it is very important to protect plants and animals, of course, because if there is no plant, there is no air. So if there is no air, then how you can breathe? What we need for breathing, we need oxygen, and how we are getting the oxygen? By the plants only. So if there are no plants, how you can get the oxygen? Okay, because the plants are the main source of the oxygen. So of course that's because it is very important to protect the plants as well as animals, because animals are also having the equal rights to live in this society. So cutting of trees has led to many problems such as global warming, reduction in rainfall, floods, etc. So in the name of development, we are cutting so many trees. So road ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, buildings ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಜನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿರುವಂಥ ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಏನು ನೀರಿನ ಒಂದು ಹಾವಳಿ ಬರೋದಾಗಲಿ, ಮತ್ತು ರೈನ್ಫಾಲ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗೋದಾಗಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೊಲಸಿಡಿಯೋದಾಗಲಿ ಎದಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೈತಿ, ಟ್ರೀಸನ್ನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ. Okay, and the natural habitats of animals are getting destroyed due to the pollutions. Habitats andre so many animals, there are so many animals which are depend for their food on the plants. Okay, herbivores ಅಂತೀವಿ. herbivores ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಬರೀ ಏನು ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಂದು ಬದುಕಾತಾವ, ಮತ್ತು ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನು ಕಡಿದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಏನು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು? So of course our environment is getting polluted due to various of factors. There is no only one reason, there are so many reasons by which our environment is getting polluted, and of course it is our primary duty to take care of it. Okay, so after that we will study about the pollution, but before that just write down the importance of environment. Okay, so see here next. So next we will discuss about the pollution. So see here, pollution means the air. water as well as land and soil as well. Soil impure. As it has harmful substances. Harmful substances to them. So actually there are some types of pollution. So first one, air pollution. Second one is water pollution. Third one is soil pollution. And the fourth and the last one is that is noise pollution. Okay, these are the four types of pollutions which occur in our environment. So of course, what is the definition of the pollution? Pollution makes the air, water, land and soil impure. Pollution ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರೀ ಒಂದರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗೂ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಅದು ಏರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಬೀಸುತ್ತ ಗಾಳಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗೂ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ವಾಟರ್ನ ಕುಡಿಯುವಂಥ ನೀರು ಮ್ಯಾಗೂ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನಾವಿರುವಂಥ ಭೂಮಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗೂ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಮಣ್ಣು ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗೂ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಅದು ಸೊ ಸಾಯಿಲ್, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ವಾಟರ್, ಏರ್ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರೊಳಗ ಹಾರ್ಮ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಇಂಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Usually those are very pure in the pure form, but when the harmful substances get mixed with those things, it will get impure, of course. And of course there are four types of pollutions, and those are air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution. Pollution ಅಂದರೆ ಬೀಸುವಂಥ ಗಾಳಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್, ಹಾರ್ಮ್ಫುಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಕುಡಿದು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏರ್ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಹಾರ್ಮ್ಫುಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಡ್ರಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟರ್, of course that's called as water pollution. And when the harmful substances get mixed with the soil, then the soil pollution occurs. And when the harmful substances get mixed with the noise, when there is a lot of disturbance, okay, so that's called as noise pollution. Okay, and we will study all of these pollutions, all of these four pollutions one by one briefly. What is air pollution, what is water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution, and how we can save our environment. Okay, so the remaining part of this lesson we will study in tomorrow's class. Okay, but before ending this class, just write it. for today. The remaining part of this lesson we will study in tomorrow's class.